Ladies and gentlemen, this is Keith from iRepair Autos. These climate control modules, while they're in the car, you turn them and the LEDs are jumping around. They're not going up or down properly in temperature. Guess what? I'm going to show you how to take this module out and send it to me, iRepair Autos. If you're a subscriber, it's only $50 for me to rebuild this for you and send it back. If you're not a subscriber, it's $89.95.
Free repair giveaway of this module. To enter, be a subscriber to my channel, leave a comment in the comment section saying, watched it, fixed mine for free. You must be in the United States to be eligible, mainly due to shipping costs. One lucky subscriber will be selected. Good luck.
The video in a few seconds will show you how to remove this, how to reinstall it when you get it back. Help support the channel. Get your module repaired. It's not a software update like a lot of people have said. Let's get started.
Help me grow the channel by subscribing today. Thanks.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to turn this problem into a fixed solution. I'm going to show you how to take that part out, and I'm going to have you send it to me and I'll rebuild it. So let me show you how to get this out of the vehicle to begin with. You're going to start off with a Torx 20 T20. Alright, this Torx 20 will be used to remove two bolts. Those two bolts live on the left side and the right. That's one right there on the left side, and on the right side there's the other one right there. So using that T20, that Torx 20, so that's the left side. Now we're going to get the right side. Alright, so we're going to pull this complete unit out. Then I'm going to unplug this, press this tab. And once you press that tab, you can pull it out like that.
Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the most technical part.
Once the ashtray is out, you're going to take your two fingers and you're going to feel some play here on either side. I can't show you with the camera. My camera won't go in there, but right here you'll feel plastic on both sides. You push up hard and then you pop this out like that. There's some clips under there. I'll show you as soon as I get it out. Slide this down and remove it. Basically what you're doing is these little tabs right here, you're pushing up these tabs right here. One tab there, one tab there. So you can get your finger in there. Very hard to do, but not that hard. And then you push up and pull out. Once you've done that, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove, okay, so this clip here and that clip, these silver clips. Observe that there's a little press tab right here, that little black tab. Push down, slide that up like that. That's one. Press down and slide that. Get the big one out of the way. Then do this one. Get that out of the way. Then what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna depress this guy. Get that out of the way. I'm not gonna mess with the base, this one below, because that has nothing to do with this module up top. Alright, so taking my Torx 20 again, they're 4 bolts that we're gonna be taking out. Here we have the unit completely removed, and you would send this unit to me. I'm going to rebuild it and return it to you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as soon as you've gotten your repaired unit back to you from me, this is how you're going to reinstall it. You're going to take the temperature control module, going to drop it in place, and these 4 ports for these screws will go right in place, line up nicely. The bolts that you took out, they're all the same length. You will take each bolt and put them in one at a time back into your, you're gonna hand tighten them for now. Try your best. As a matter of fact, you should even put a towel down underneath so that you don't drop the screws and lose them in the car between the seats. These screws take a T20 fitting. Once those are in place, then you will take your Torx 20 and I'll say start tightening up tighten them up by hand. All right, ladies and gentlemen, once it's all bolted in, 4 screws right there, there, and there. Next thing you're gonna wanna do, you're gonna wanna connect your electronics. Gonna start off with the small one, big one, and then power. All right, so we're gonna start off with the small one. Put that in, slide up the silver tab. Same thing with the big one. Put that in position. And slide that up. It goes right in position. And then the last piece of the electronic connections is this power connection tab right here. And it only goes in one way. Has a nice groove, so you can't screw that up. Without this module in place, plugged in, your air conditioning will not work at all. This has to be plugged in, okay? Bear that in mind. All right, so when you're putting this back together, let's not get crazy with it, okay? You're gonna slide it up so you don't see the silver part. See that silver part at the top, that little lip? Slide it up. Just like that. And then you're gonna just bring this down, like so. Okay, goes right back in place. The only thing left to do is to put back in our cigarette ashtray lighter. And remember, 2 screws. But before we put the ashtray back in, we got to reconnect the light. And to do that, we're going to plug it in. And it goes one way. All right. Turn that around. Seated all the way in there. And now what's left is to put the screws, Torx 20s, back into the hole. Do it without the light of the camera so you can see it better.
To purchase or rebuild, visit iRepair Autos at iRepairAutos.com. Click on the Parts for Sale tab and purchase your rebuild. Just $50 for subscribers, so subscribe today. Thanks. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.